Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, uh, on the previous tutorial, what I did is I showed you, created a playlist how to knit this puff sleeve um, shrug, but let me just show it to you. I washed it. It's just fantastic, but what I noticed that this part is too open. Like it's too much. It's only 11 stitches here that I picked up. Even that is too many. It's too wide. So, well, this is a trial. So I'm just still figuring out. But I did do the tutorial. On the next one, I only picked up 11 stitches. So, if this happens again with any other items you're working on, if you notice that the collar is too big, what you can do is, I'm going to show you a trick. I was trying to figure out how to close this up. Okay, the only way, easiest way, is to use a crochet hook and crochet with a slip stitch. I'm not gonna do single crochets. If I do single crochets, it will be noticeable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do slip stitches. Okay, and then I'm going to try to tighten this up. Okay, as you can see, let's measure it before, and then we'll measure it after. So I'm just going to measure this part here, just to give you an idea. So it's about 8 inches. It's supposed to be 5 to 6 inches for a 6-year-old. Well, it's not that bad, but this part is open. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So when you measure it from edge to edge, it's 7 inches, okay? So let's see how this is going to work out. And like I said, I'm going to do slip stitch. So I'm going to start right here somewhere. Slip stitches, no, not single crochets, okay? And then I'm going to start crocheting, okay? Just like this. Slip stitches. Okay, so I'm going to jump right here, and then I am going to make a slip stitch. Okay, I'm jumping on where the ridges are, where the purl stitches looks like. So I am skipping this gap between this gap. It looks like the knit. Okay, so I'm skipping that, and then we'll figure out if this is going to work. I can't weave it when I'm doing slip stitches because I'm not. And then you will notice, I am sure, because I never did this before. I usually do single crochets, but I don't want the single crochet to be noticeable. You know what I mean? Or I can even do this on the back. See, it's even showing up on the front. So if I do it on the back, it will look like this. Yeah, maybe let's do it that way. Let's do it on the back. Because I made it a knot, and to frog this Angora rabbit is really tough. See, it felt right away. Okay, notice it's blurred. Let me fix that. So I am going to start with right here where the V, remember we started with 1 stitch. So I'm just going to start right there, and I'll make it a little bit long so it would be easy to weave that end. Okay, so I'm going to jump right here, make a slip stitch, and then we'll see when we measure it. I'm sure there's going to be at least 1 inch. I was thinking of putting elastic in between, but I said no, that won't work. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. This is how it looks like. See? Yeah, on the white one, I just started. After the tutorial, I did I picked up 11 stitches. Okay, this is the pure white that she requested, the customer requested. So it's from here to here. Okay, I'm going to see if this is too big. This is 11 stitches, so on the ivory she wanted, I'll try 11, instead of 11 stitches, I'll try 9 stitches or 10. I'll just need to figure out how big this is, because I do wash my finished items, but maybe I won't wash this. Yeah, this is still a little bit moist, I noticed. Takes time to it takes their precious time to dry up, let's say it that way. So especially in the winter, I don't wash it if I get a custom order, because there's no time. They want it fast. So this is what I'm doing. So it's going to tighten it up. I'm sure it will. See, you will notice that it is tightening up. Yeah. So I'm making this up. I haven't seen this anywhere, so I was just trying to brainstorm what can I do to tighten up that back area, because it is pretty open and I don't like open collars. Most of my customers are worldwide. I wish they just lived next door to me so I can they can try it on, right? And then yeah, that would have been nice, but unfortunately, like, they're worldwide, and there's no way they can try it on. And I can see how it fits, right? I don't even have any 6-year-old girls around me. We have boys, a lot of boys. Even my neighborhood, well, we don't have any kids. They're all grown up. It's a mature neighborhood, 20 plus years. Okay, so let's see how this is going to turn out. Almost done. I just had that feeling that it's too open. If I can save an inch, that would be perfect. Okay, where's that V? It's almost there. And I use 2-ply. Yeah, okay, perfect. Let me do the last one before I cut my yarn. Let's try it one more time if this fixed the problem or not. Okay, the two are touching. So remember, before it was 7. Oh my goodness, see the difference? It's 5.5. Oh, this is perfect. So definitely, so you can work with this system. Yeah, you can even start from, well, no, this is perfect. Yeah, I'll just cut the yarn and weave it. So this is how you can fix the problem. Yeah, it will stretch a little bit, so 5. It's not even 5.5. So can you see? Before it was, so we saved about 2 inches, comfortably 2 inches. Oh, this is just great. So this would perfectly fit a 6-year-old. Because I went to Michael's, where did I go? No, I went to Marshall's, I went to Winners, and I went to Walmart, 3 different places to find a 6-year-old and a 7-year-old. 6-year-old, I think, 6 X fits for, that's how I was buying for my son. 6, number 6, yeah, for 6-year-old, and I confirmed with the sales, so I did the measurements, and this would be perfect. So what I have to do is I'll just sew on the tag here, and take some fresh pictures, because it's done. Yeah. I did steam it a little bit. Block it, especially the fronts, because it was curling up. Yeah. So I just wanted to come back and show you how you can shrink that area, and it's just fantastic. Yeah, so I hope you like this short info that I gathered. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. I'm just fixing the sleeves here. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Puffity puff puff.